Next, let's talk about what you need to know so you do not hurt yourself with a massage gun. First thing to know about not hurting yourself with a massage gun is never use a massage gun on your joint. Every joint is weak in terms of stability, so using a force-producing machine like a massage gun can actually damage the joint and cause you personal injury. Reason being is that a massage gun provides percussive force, and this is a hammering force, and the hammering force will cause damage to anything that's not stable. This includes your spine, because your spine is a series of joints. Check out my How to Use a Massage Gun on Your Back for more about using a massage gun safely on your back. The second safety factor is do not use a massage gun directly on bones that are found just under the skin. I'm talking about areas like your shin or your skull, for example. Bones, they might seem strong, but they do not benefit from using a massage gun on them. In fact, too much exposure to the force of a massage gun could easily break your bones and send you to the emergency room. And the chances are even greater if you have osteoporosis or a candidate for osteoporosis, so don't use it on your bones. The third safety factor you need to know is never use a massage gun on your neck, your face, or your skull. This one should be very simple to understand after explaining the first two safety factors. Your head, neck, and face are made up of a series of joints with bones directly under the skin, and they also have something that's called endangerment zones, such as your eyeballs and your lymph nodes. You can't really be putting force on that because those will get destroyed easily with percussive force, so keep the massage gun away from your neck and your face altogether. Fourth safety factor is never sacrifice good form to reach an area of your body, because contorting your body to work in one area is going to cause imbalances in other areas of your body, because you are twisting up your body and then you're exerting force. And this bad leverage can and over time will result in injury. The muscles are not designed for force production in awkward positions, and this can not only cause you muscle pain, but you can injure yourself. Let me just say that again one more time so it sinks into your noggin. Watch more in-depth massage gun videos on how to use a massage gun with proper form by elite healers, because we are the authority in massage guns.